what Chocolate Soul is trying to do with our food product is make a food that is an expression of eco-gastronomy. That is to say, we try to draw from forms of agriculture that are both sustainable and regenerative. In particular, we try to draw ingredients from the milpa of maize, bean squash, cacao, amaranth, chia, and combine them with the milpa of the forest. That is to say, the polyculture of cacao, vanilla, achiote, jaguar cacao, mamey, calabash, red cacao is the major one, but also things like rows of cacao. And what our belief is that when we bring the sustainable agriculture, and in some cases, as in the case of the cacao, regenerative agriculture of the field, together with the perennial regenerative agriculture of the forest garden, we create a type of food abundance that we call cornucopia. And cornucopia is a seasonal abundance rooted in the traditional Mesoamerican indigenous agricultural model, but not limited to that. So one of the things that we celebrate is the way that indigenous communities have appropriately appropriated coffee and made coffee part of their forest garden traditions at altitude. And similarly, looking at other trees like cherries or apples and any number of trees that might not have been native to the Americas have been integrated into forest gardens. In Ontario, the leader of the forest garden of the north is maple, elderberry growing in the understory. But why not have apples and cherries growing alongside of pawpaws and birch and white pine and black ash and all the other trees that grow in the shade of the forest garden? So overall, what Chocolate Soul tries to do is look at creating delicious, nutritious, and ecologically regenerative supply chains through our symbolic food products.